What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone in between, Hooker here, and today we're going to be studying our ASVAB, and we're going to be continuing today's lesson with the math ASVAB. So let's get right to it. Number 61. Jonathan spent 4 hours studying, 1 hour raking leaves, 30 minutes doing laundry, and 2 hours watching TV. What percentage of time was spent studying? A. 46.6%, B. 50%, C. 53.3%, D. 57.1%. Again, the question is, Jonathan spent 4 hours studying, 1 hour raking leaves, 30 minutes doing laundry, and 2 hours watching TV. What percentage of his time was spent studying? The answer is C, 53.3%. First, add all the blocks of time together. 4 hours plus 1 hour plus 0.5 hours plus 2 hours equals 7.5 hours total. Now multiply the time spent studying 4 hours by 100 and divide it by the total time. 4 times 100 equals 400. 400 divided by 7.5 hours equals 53.3%. 62. Which of these is an example of a similar figure in the geometric sense? A soccer ball and a football. B, a right triangle and an isosceles triangle. C, a bicycle and a tricycle. D, a sailing ship and a scale model of that ship. Question is, which of these is an example of similar figures in the geometric sense? The answer is D. Two figures are similar in the mathematical sense in that they have the same shape. They may or may not have the same size. A sailing ship and a scale model of that have the same shape, even though they are different sizes and therefore are similar. Number 63. The fuel tank of gasoline and generator has enough capacity to operate the generator for an hour and 15 minutes. About how many times must the fuel tank be filled to run the generator from 6:15 p.m. to 7 a.m.? A. 9.4, B. 10.2, C. 10.8, D. 11.5. The question is, the fuel tank of a gasoline generator has enough capacity to operate the generator for an hour and 15 minutes. About how many times must the fuel tank be filled to run the generator from 6:15 p.m. to 7 a.m.? The answer is B. First, find the total time needed to run the generator equals 12 hours and 45 minutes, or 12.75 hours. Now divide the total time needed to run the generator by the amount of time each tank of fuel will last. So 12.75 divided by 1.25 equals 10.2 tanks of fuel. I hope this helps. This Hooker, signing out. And good luck.